Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that has captured the attention of investors worldwide, making millions with cryptocurrency in less than a year. The world of crypto is not just a passing trend. It's a revolutionary financial landscape that has the potential to transform your financial future. With the right strategies and a bit of knowledge, many individuals have turned modest investments into life-changing profits in record time. Cryptocurrency investments can seem daunting, but they offer incredible opportunities for those willing to learn and adapt. From Bitcoin to altcoins, the market is filled with options that can yield significant returns. In this video, we'll explore effective strategies that can help you navigate this volatile market and maximize your gains. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of crypto success? Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, we'll provide you with valuable insights and tips that can set you on the path to financial freedom. So, grab a notebook and get ready to take notes, because by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to make informed decisions and potentially make millions in the crypto space. So let's explore. Cryptocurrency is a form of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security, making it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend. The backbone of cryptocurrency is blockchain technology, a decentralized ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. This innovative technology ensures transparency and security, which are crucial in building trust among users. The rise of digital currencies has significantly impacted the traditional financial landscape. With the introduction of Bitcoin in 2009, the concept of decentralized finance began to take shape, challenging conventional banking systems and payment methods. Today, thousands of cryptocurrencies exist, each offering unique features and potential benefits. This shift has prompted traditional financial institutions to adapt, leading to the integration of blockchain technology and digital assets into their services. Understanding market trends and volatility is essential for anyone looking to invest in cryptocurrency. The market can experience rapid fluctuations, influenced by various factors such as regulatory changes, technological advancements, and market sentiment. By staying informed about these trends, investors can make more strategic decisions and mitigate risks. In this ever-evolving financial world, grasping the fundamentals of cryptocurrency is key to navigating its complexities and seizing opportunities for growth. Selecting the right cryptocurrencies for investment can be a game-changer in your financial journey. The first step is to research and analyze key metrics such as market capitalization and trading volume. Market capitalization gives you an idea of a cryptocurrency's overall value and stability, while trading volume indicates how actively a coin is being bought and sold. Higher trading volumes often suggest greater liquidity, making it easier to enter and exit positions. Next, it's crucial to evaluate the technology and use cases behind different cryptocurrencies. Look for projects that solve real-world problems or offer innovative solutions. Understanding the underlying technology, such as smart contracts or decentralized finance, DeFi, can provide insights into a cryptocurrency's long-term viability. Additionally, consider community support and development activity as indicators of potential. A strong, engaged community often drives a project's success, while active development suggests ongoing improvements and updates. Platforms like GitHub can show you how frequently developers are working on a project. By combining these factors, market metrics, technological innovation, and community engagement, you can make more informed decisions when choosing cryptocurrencies to invest in. This strategic approach can help you identify promising opportunities in the dynamic world of digital assets. When it comes to maximizing returns in the cryptocurrency market, having a solid investment strategy is essential. One popular approach is dollar-cost averaging, where you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals regardless of the asset's price. This strategy helps reduce the impact of volatility and can lead to a lower average purchase price over time. Another effective method is swing trading, which involves taking advantage of short-term price movements. By buying low and selling high within a specific time frame, traders can capitalize on market fluctuations. Setting clear investment goals and understanding your risk tolerance is crucial for any successful strategy. Are you looking for short-term gains, or are you in it for the long haul? Knowing your objectives will guide your decisions and help you stay focused during market ups and downs. Additionally, diversification is key to mitigating risk in your crypto portfolio. Instead of putting all your funds into one cryptocurrency, consider spreading your investments across different assets. This approach can help cushion your portfolio against the volatility of any single coin. By combining these strategies, dollar-cost averaging, swing trading, clear goal setting, and diversification, you can create a robust investment plan that maximizes your potential returns in the ever-evolving crypto landscape. In the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, staying updated on the latest news and trends is crucial for making informed investment decisions. Following reputable news sources and influencers in the crypto space can provide you with valuable insights and timely information. Websites like CoinDesk, Cointelegraph, and various industry podcasts offer in-depth analysis and updates on market movements, regulatory changes, and emerging technologies. Engaging with thought leaders on social media platforms can also enhance your understanding of the market. Joining online communities and forums is another effective way to stay informed. Platforms like Reddit, Discord, and Telegram host vibrant discussions where enthusiasts share insights, strategies, and experiences. Participating in these communities not only helps you learn from others, but also allows you to contribute your own knowledge and perspectives. Additionally, utilizing tools and platforms for real-time market analysis and alerts can keep you ahead of the curve. Websites like CoinMarketCap and TradingView offer comprehensive data on price movements, trading volumes, and market trends. Setting up alerts for specific price points or news events can help you react quickly to changes in the market. By actively seeking information and engaging with the crypto community, you can enhance your investment strategy and navigate the complexities of the cryptocurrency landscape with confidence. Investing in cryptocurrencies can be incredibly rewarding, but it also comes with its share of risks. One of the most common mistakes to avoid is emotional trading. Many investors make impulsive decisions based on fear or greed, leading to poor outcomes. It's essential to stick to your investment strategy and avoid reacting to short-term market fluctuations. Keeping a level head can help you make more rational decisions that align with your long-term goals. Another significant risk is falling for scams and fraudulent schemes. The crypto space, unfortunately, attracts bad actors looking to exploit unsuspecting investors. Be wary of offers that seem too good to be true, such as guaranteed returns or high-yield investment programs. Always verify the legitimacy of a project and its team before investing your hard-earned money. Thorough research is crucial before making any investment. Take the time to understand the technology, use cases, and market dynamics of the cryptocurrencies you're considering. Look for credible sources of information and engage with the community to gather insights. By conducting diligent research and being aware of common pitfalls, you can protect yourself from costly mistakes and make more informed investment choices in the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency. As we wrap up our discussion on navigating the world of cryptocurrency investments, it's essential to recap the importance of informed decision-making. The crypto market is filled with opportunities, but success hinges on your ability to research, analyze, and stay updated on trends. By understanding the fundamentals of cryptocurrencies, employing effective investment strategies, and avoiding common pitfalls, you can position yourself for potential success. We've highlighted that with the right strategies, such as dollar-cost averaging, diversification, and swing trading, investors can unlock the potential for significant returns. However, it's crucial to remain vigilant and informed, as the market can be unpredictable. We hope you found this video insightful and that it has equipped you with the knowledge to make smarter investment choices. Also, please look at this video's description for AI tools and courses. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with fellow investors who might benefit from these insights. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content tailored to your interests. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video as we continue exploring the exciting world of cryptocurrency.